He is a man who is forced to fight against human greed and the brutality of nature to keep their hopes alive.
Forecast is 41. I think we're going to get a few more degrees out of it. My gosh, it's 34 or something now, and it feels like 70. I think we just got this entire mass just thawing out. I suppose as long as it keeps flowing this way, it does flow this way, of course. The entire body of it just keeps melting. I think it should be okay. It just keep flowing. Some glare, but you can see it's flowing. I also wonder, I don't think that this froze all the way down to the culvert level either. But when it got down to almost minus 40 a couple days, I was going to have to stop it up. Alright, not too bad. We'll monitor. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I think it's flowing from the culvert feeding it a lot more than just this melting. It certainly isn't from melt overflow. Okay, this will probably be fine. The wind piles it up right here, but it's some pretty good exercise just push it over to the side. Because I know it was going to get warm, so once the sun gets close to this red rock, it really takes care of business. I kind of scraped all the way up the road. Overflow it, it's not going to be enough to flood it completely past my capability driving through it. I don't know, it's starting to form up here. Still flowing. This is definitely higher. It's kind of bogging up right here. Let's see. Yeah, the creek is definitely flowing over the road now. I think this is all stalling in mass. It's not actually coming out of the road. It is overflowing it over there, but there's just so much room here that I don't think it's going to be a problem. If I have to go through it, it might be like a foot deep or something like that. Not even that much. As long as it keeps flowing in that direction, and there's no indication it's being blocked up downstream. That is my assessment, at least. Gorgeous. 50 degrees or close to it. Got some passive draining. Got some channels. That's not too far below the level of this, but it's taking some out. I'm going to take a walk up to the gate. Should get the wheelbarrow too, so I can stop confusing it for some giant skunk.
crap.
That's not a good sign.
No, it's not.